Welcome to the Bandit series. In this video, we will be going through the Linux file system. Bandit is a wargame by OverTheWire, a free platform for learning Linux from scratch. Each level gives you a password to find. That password unlocks the next level. Let's start with level 0. Every information we need to solve a level is on the levels page. The goal of this level is to log in and find the password for level 1. We are asked to connect via SSH, and we have the hostname, port, username, and password. SSH stands for Secure Shell, an encrypted tunnel to a remote machine. The format is username at hostname, then P for the port. Bandit uses port 2220 instead of the default 22. You may see a fingerprint prompt the first time you connect to any machine. Just type yes to accept and continue. The password for level 0 is Bandit 0. You won't see it as you type. Linux hides password input for security. We are in. Look at the prompt, Bandit 0 at Bandit. That tells us exactly who we are and what machine we are on. Let's clear the terminal. Our very first move on any Linux box is always ls, list what is here. There is a file called readme. We read it with cat, short for concatenate. Cat prints the contents of any file directly to the terminal. There is the password for level 1. Copy it, we will need it in a moment. Every Bandit level stores its password in a file. Your job is always to find it. Before moving on, ls-l gives us the long format. These columns show permissions, owner, file size, and last modified time. Level 0 done. Let's log out with the exit command. Let's now connect to level 1. We're logged in as Bandit 1. Let's clear the terminal again. Let's see what is here. There is a file called dash, literally a single dash. Watch what happens when we try to read it the normal way. It is waiting for keyboard input, not reading a file. Linux sees the dash as a flag, meaning read from standard input. Let's cancel that with Ctrl-C. The fix is // before the file name. // tells the shell this is a file path, not a flag. This matters in real hacking. Files can be named to confuse tools. Understanding how the shell interprets arguments versus file names is the foundation of injection attacks. That's it for level 1. We have the password for level 2. Connecting to level 2. We are in as Bandit 2. Let's look around. The file name has double dashes wrapping spaces. Watch what happens when we try to read it. The shell treated each word as a separate argument. The fix is to wrap the whole thing in quotes. And this is the password for level 3. The better habit is tab completion. Type the first few characters of the file name and press tab. The shell handles the escaping automatically. We can log out now and move on to level 3. We are now logged in as Bandit 3. Let's see what is in the home directory. There is a directory called in here. Let's go inside. We use the command cd for change directory. This is how we navigate the Linux file system. It is just like clicking into folders on your computer. The in here directory looks empty, but it is not. We need the -A flag to show all files including hidden ones, and -L for full details. There it is, a file called ... hiding from you. That leading dot makes it hidden. Let's read it. And we have the password for level 4. On real Linux systems, hidden files hold SSH keys, environment variables, bash history, and credentials. ls-la is always your first move before landing on any box. This ends episode 1 of the Bandit series. For levels solved, 5 commands learned. SSH, ls, cat, cd, and ls-la. If you typed every command along with me, you just did real Linux. Not tutorial Linux, the actual thing. Episode 2 is where it gets interesting. We start searching. Finding files by size, by owner, by type. Using find and grep the way a real pentester does. If you learned something, subscribe and leave a like. Drop a comment with your time on level 0. See you in episode 2.